Apple was unexpectedly surpassed by Xiaomi just before the launch of the iPhone 16. A shock at the beginning of the week. Xiaomi officially flipped the script, surpassing Apple and stepping into the number 2 position in the world for smartphone sales. This means that Apple has officially been dethroned by a competitor from China just before the launch of the iPhone 16. This event has shaken the entire technology market. So what is the reason for this earthquake? Xiaomi's breakthrough in August 2024. According to a report from Counterpoint Research, August 2024 saw Xiaomi surpass Apple, securing the second position in the global smartphone sales ranking for the first time since August 2021. This marked a significant milestone in the battle between the two tech giants, Xiaomi and Apple. While Xiaomi's sales continue to grow steadily, on the contrary, Apple has witnessed a significant decline, pushing this giant down to third place. It can be said that this is a crucial turning point in the intense race between the two leading technology brands in the world. Not just a simple change in ranking. This also reflects a shift in global consumer trends. Consumers today not only focus on the brand but also care about the actual value and features of the product. Notably, Xiaomi's growth in the first half of 2024 increased by 22% compared to the same period last year, making this giant the fastest-growing smartphone manufacturer in 2024, contributing to the overall market recovery after the difficulties of 2022 and the first half of 2023. Why does Xiaomi have the advantage? When looking at the overall picture of the current smartphone market, a big question arises. Why has Xiaomi been able to surpass Apple to take the second position in the global smartphone sales ranking? The main reasons for this success can be analyzed from various angles. From pricing strategies to product innovation. Xiaomi's strategy. Regarding pricing, one of the most prominent factors that give Xiaomi an advantage is its smart pricing strategy. In the context of many economies recovering, especially in major markets like India and Southeast Asia, consumers have become more price sensitive. They are looking for quality products while still keeping the price reasonable. Xiaomi has grasped this mentality and skillfully positioned itself as a superior choice for those who want to own a good smartphone without spending too much money. By launching successful models like the Redmi 13 and Redmi Note 13, Xiaomi has created a product line that not only meets market demand but also generates a consumer frenzy. The reasonable pricing strategy has helped Xiaomi easily dominate the market, attracting a large number of consumers, especially first-time smartphone users. About the product. Unlike many other competitors, Xiaomi does not follow the trend of launching a multitude of products. Instead, the company has adjusted its strategy to focus on developing key models for each segment. This helps the company save resources and improve product quality. This selection not only helps Xiaomi simplify the decision-making process for consumers but also creates consistency in the brand strategy. In addition, Xiaomi continues to innovate and improve technology, especially in areas such as 5G devices and camera phones. Products like the Xiaomi Mi 11 and Xiaomi Mix 4 not only stand out with their excellent photography features but also offer a premium user experience, attracting mobile photography enthusiasts. Not stopping there, Xiaomi is also heavily investing in the foldable screen device sector, with products like the Xiaomi Mix Fold. These products not only help the company stand out from the crowd but also demonstrate its pioneering spirit in technological innovation. Investing in new technologies helps Xiaomi achieve a clear distinction from its competitors. Promotional programs. Xiaomi has implemented many attractive promotional programs in markets such as Latin America, creating opportunities for sales growth. The company knows how to exploit market timing, especially in the fall when Apple's sales usually decline. In addition, Xiaomi has launched many attractive promotional programs, especially in markets like Latin America. The company knows how to exploit market timing, especially in the fall, a period when Apple's sales usually decline. Discount programs, bundled gifts, and clever advertising campaigns have helped Xiaomi attract consumer attention. The organization of online events, combined with influencers and social media campaigns, has also significantly contributed to enhancing Xiaomi's brand recognition. Thanks to that, the company not only attracted many new customers but also retained those who had previously used the product. The reason from Apple's side. When looking at Apple's sales picture in August, it can be seen that this is an annual period when iPhone sales typically hit their lowest point of the year. The main reason for this phenomenon is consumer psychology, as they often wait for the launch of new versions, especially the iPhone 16 series expected to be introduced in September. However, this year, the sales decline is not merely seasonal but has occurred much more severely than initially predicted. According to the renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the demand for the iPhone 16, especially the Pro version, is lower than expected by both the market and analysts. Part of the reason is that consumers have started to feel bored with the minor upgrades that Apple provides each year. Instead, they are looking for improvements that truly bring value, which has put significant pressure on Apple to innovate and upgrade technology. The situation worsens when looking at the Chinese market, a huge market where Apple has previously achieved great success. Currently, Chinese consumers increasingly prefer domestic products like Huawei and Xiaomi. These brands not only offer quality products but also demonstrate a deep understanding of the needs and preferences of local consumers. This shift not only causes Apple to gradually lose favor among Chinese consumers but also threatens the company's brand position in the global market. The race will continue. Although Xiaomi has currently surpassed Apple, this race is not over yet. Apple is expected to regain its momentum in the final months of the year, especially after the official launch of the iPhone 16 on September 20th. With millions of consumers around the world always waiting, it is highly likely that iPhone sales will see a strong recovery in the final quarter of the year. Additionally, the giant Apple will maintain a strong position in the high-end segment, where technology enthusiasts are always willing to spend money on the brand's products. Although Xiaomi has many advantages in terms of price, Apple still has a loyal user community with undeniable appeal. However, this is still a noteworthy milestone for Xiaomi, indicating fierce competition and unexpected changes in the global smartphone market landscape. What will the future hold for the big players? Xiaomi has proven that they are a formidable competitor to Apple. This game will not be easy. In the face of those threats, Apple needs to make stronger improvements to attract users, especially in the context of the smartphone market changing every day. This competition is not only about sales but also about the ability to innovate and adapt to the market. This competition will drive both companies to develop and improve their products, while also benefiting consumers. The future of the smartphone market will be full of exciting developments, and both Xiaomi and Apple have their own strategic moves. Can Xiaomi maintain its position while Apple might come back stronger? Time will answer this question. The race between Apple and Xiaomi has become more exciting and dramatic than ever. Xiaomi has proven its strength with a smart and agile strategy. As for Apple, with its media presence and brand power, can it restore its position? Let's wait and see the next developments in the battle, not only between the two brands but also in the entire smartphone industry. Thank you for watching the whole video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to receive the earliest video. You can watch more videos on the right or left side of the screen. I will leave many offers below in the comments and video description.